first race in 35 years. I grew up racing motocross in the 70s and 80s. After the track shut down in Nebraska area, I started racing 100-mile enduros and hare scrambles. The last race I think was in 1986 in the Pine Ridge, Crawford area. I bought this CRF450L this winter. I've been doing some trail riding with my grandson JJ, and that's about it. This is the first time I've been on a motocross track. Gotta say I was a little nervous about jumps. I used to love to soar through the air on my motocross bikes, but I was a little nervous about this one because this is stock suspension, a little bit of a heavy bike. And as you can see, when I come off a lot of these jumps, I hit pretty hard. And you'll probably hear me a few times doing a pretty good grunt when I hit the ground. Careful in these corners. They didn't have very tall berms, so they were pretty slick. Just about slid out quite a few times. I wear my GoPro on chin mount on my helmet, and you're going to see coming up here, I come off a jump and I hit pretty hard. My head comes down and hits the crossbar, and then right there my GoPro is actually caught on my brake cable, and I didn't know if I was going to be able to get loose. I didn't know what the heck was going on. I went to stand up and my head was caught. Slowed me down a little bit there, but thankfully I got free and I didn't lose any spots in my class, and it did mess my GoPro up. As you can see, the angle's all screwed up, but hey, no problem. I got another jump gonna come up here and jar me again, and it actually knocks the camera back into position again. So there we go. Now we're back in line again. Not sure what that guy was yelling about. He must have thought I was in his way. Enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that like button, and go ahead and subscribe. I hope to have some more videos coming out. I'm hoping to do a hare scramble here sometime soon, and hopefully I'll get to do some more of these vintage races. And leave your comments down below. Love to hear what you thought. And if you went to the race too, let me know what you thought of the old Razor's Edge MX track. I truly enjoyed it. If you subscribe, make sure you hit that bell icon. That way when I put out Moto 2 of this race, you'll get a notification that it's out, and for future videos that will be coming. My whole family there cheering me on, and JJ runs up to the end here and catches up with me to let me know he got the whole thing